Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to finally be saying that again because honestly it's been a while. If you've been following me for a long time, you already know that I kind of disappeared from YouTube for quite some time. I had some issues with the monetization, and honestly I just got tired and took a break from the platform. But I'm back now and I really want to start creating and posting here again. So if you are watching this video, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Xinia and I'm a makeup artist. So for the first video back, I decided to start with something really simple but very important, and that is how to properly groom your eyebrows before drawing them. Now, one thing I've noticed is that a lot of people go straight in with their brow pencil or brow products without actually grooming the brows first. And trust me, properly groomed brows can make the whole brow drawing process so much easier. So let's get into it. As you can see, these are the brows I'm working with, and I like to first look at the natural shape of the brows before I start doing anything. And at this point, I'm not trying to completely change the person's natural brow shape. No, the goal is simply to remove the excess hairs and make the brows look neat and easier to work with. I'm using my spoolie to brush the brow hairs upwards, and this step is very important because you want to be able to see the hairs that are extending beyond the natural shape of the brows, right? If you don't brush the hairs up first, you might not really know what needs to be trimmed. Yes, so I brush the hairs upwards and then I carefully trim off the excess with my razor. And guys, please, when you're doing this, don't rush. You don't want to just start cutting randomly because you can easily take off too much hairs and completely change the shape of the brows. I like to work little by little, brush the hairs up, trim a little, then brush again and check what I am doing, to make sure that I'm on the right track. You really don't need to take off a lot of hairs. We are just trying to clean up the brows and make them look more structured. After trimming the top, I also brush down the hair down, and yes, you want to check both directions because some of the hairs might look fine when you brush them up, but when you brush them down, you may notice some extra hairs that need to be trimmed. So I brush them up, I brush them down and I carefully trim them again. And again, I'm not trying to make the brows completely bowed, no, or extremely thin, no. That's actually one mistake I see people make sometimes. You don't have to remove every single hair around your brows. Leave the hairs that are part of the natural shape. Leave it, and only remove the ones that are obviously outside the shape you are trying to create. And because I'm working with a client brows, I'm being even more careful. You always want to preserve the person's natural brows as much as possible. So guys, brush up, trim, brush down, trim. That is the trick. And then I go back again just to check and make sure that everything is looking even. This is also why I like using spoolie throughout the process. It helps you to see the direct, like you cannot even do that without a spoolie. Some people might try to use like a toothbrush, but it won't work. It must be spoolie. Like, use it throughout the process. It helps you to see the direction of the hairs and also helps you check whether you've trimmed enough. Now let's compare the both brows. You can already see the difference between the brows after just trimming and grooming them. And this is why I always say that your brow prep matters. Sometimes you think your brow drawing technique is the problem when actually the brows haven't been properly groomed before you started. Exactly. Sometimes it's not even you not knowing how to draw your brows, it's because you did not groom it well. That is one thing I always tell my students. Once the hairs are properly trimmed and the brow areas is neat, it's much easier to see the shape you're working with and create a clean brows. Mind you guys, I have an online class that is coming up in September 28th to 30th. That is 3 days online class. You get to learn a lot if you register for this class. So, and back to the video, everyone's brows are different. Yeah, so don't feel like you have to force your brows to look exactly like someone else. Work with the natural shape you have and just learn how to enhance it. And that's basically what I wanted to show you guys in today's video, how I groom the brows before going in to actually draw them. Since this is my first video back, I really wanted to start with something simple, and I hope this was helpful. And guys, I'm genuinely excited to be creating for you today again. I know I have been away for a long time, but I'm hoping to be more consistent this time and bring you guys more makeup tutorial tips, transformations, and just more of what I love doing. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so you don't miss any video, like so that you don't miss. And please look at the flyer at the end of this video and register for my online class. Like, that is where I get to pour out my heart. You get to see my techniques, you get to learn a lot from me, and there is a bonus class. I'll teach you how to edit videos. That is it, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment and let me know what makeup tutorial you want me to do next. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.